Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to check how many views get your last shorts. Okay, you can use YouTube Studio for that. Open YouTube Studio, then you will be get this page. Otherwise, you can log in with your email ID, then choose your channel. Okay, you can also change channel from the right top corner. You can see here there is a channel icon. Click that and then change the code. So you can see here my last video is uploaded around 600 days ago, and last short is uploaded around 750 days ago. So you can simply go to content, then you can select videos or shorts. You can see last videos here, and also you can swipe and select it. So my last short is here. Open that short, then you can see my last shorts get 8.8k views and also 55 time uh, hours of watch over. So in this way you can easily identify how much view you get this particular short video. You can also click that link and open. You can check views, subscribers, and also if you are monetize the channel, then you can available and a tab is here revenue, so you can also check revenue. So that's guys, in this video you can simply understand how to check shorts views. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.